guys, how we are doing today? I hope you're all good. So today's video is all about cooking with me. I'm going to be making a local delicacy. I'm cooking plantain porridge. But firstly, I'm going to show you all my ingredients for this recipe. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this dish. I have my plantains here. I have ripe one. I'm going to combine it together. I have my meat. I have meat here. I have my mackerel fish. I have crayfish here. I have my palm oil, seasoning cube, salt. I will also have pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some ogiri. I love putting ogiri in my plantain porridge. It makes it very, very nice. So firstly, we have to cut this up before we use. We're gonna cut the plantains. Firstly, we peel it. Sometimes it can be a bit difficult to peel, so just be careful while peeling. I'm just going to place it in a bowl. So falling down. Place it in a bowl. Then I'm going to go in with some hot water just to cover it up. So while the unripe one is in the water, I'm just going to go ahead and cut up the ripe one. It doesn't need to go in the hot water. Just start cooking. I'm just gonna add this to the pot while it's happening, and then I'm quickly gonna put water to let it cook. Then I'm just gonna cover this up and let it cook. So I didn't put the ripe plantain at this point. I'm just going to leave it until the one that is cooking, the unripe one, has softened a little bit. Then I'm going to add the ripe one in it, and then it's going to cook together. While that is cooking, let's prepare our onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and ogiri. So I'm just going to grind it together. too smooth. Just want it a bit rough. Alright guys, let's check on it. See whether it's soft enough. This. So now we're gonna add the ripe plantain. I'm going to add some onions on it. Then I'm gonna add some salt, just a little bit, and we give that a stir. And we're just gonna cover it. So while that is cooking, we're just going to go ahead and prepare our sauce. So we're just going to add some palm oil here. Now we're going to add our grinded chili flakes. We're going to fry this for a little while. Now we're going to add our crayfish. And then we'll fry it together. Now we're going to go in with our meat. Just put that there. Go in with some salt. Just a little bit because we have put some in the plantain. Then we're just going to let this cook together so that it can mix. Now we're just quickly going to add the mixtures in together. Stir. We start to mix it completely. A little bit of our fish. We're gonna mix that into a pan. Now we're going to go in with the vegetables. So guys, that is stir, and then we're just going to cover this and let it cook together until thoroughly combined. Guys, let's check on our food. let's have a little test and see. This is good. I do say so myself. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you have any trick on how to peel or ripe plantain without it stressing your fingers or stuff, please let me know in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.